In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView to set up and manage your trades effectively. Whether you're new to trading or just looking to refine your skills with TradingView, this guide will walk you through how to open a chart, connect your brokerage account, and manage your trades with precision. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your TradingView account. Once you're logged in, it's time to open the chart for the asset you wish to trade. TradingView offers a wide array of charts for different assets, so whether you're interested in stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies, simply navigate to the appropriate chart to get started. With your chosen asset chart open, the next step is to connect your brokerage account to TradingView. Head to the bottom of your screen and click on the Trading Panel tab. Here, you'll find options to connect brokerage accounts that are compatible with TradingView. Follow the prompts and ensure your brokerage account is successfully linked so you can place trades directly from the platform. Once connected, it's time to place your order. Look for the buy or sell button, which you'll find either on the chart itself or within the trading panel. Clicking on this button will open the order entry window where you can specify the details for your trade. This is where the real magic happens, allowing you to execute your trading strategy with precision. In the order entry window, you'll notice options to enhance your trade with stop loss and take profit orders. These are crucial tools for managing your risk and securing your profits automatically. To activate these features, simply check or toggle the respective options in the order window. Now let's discuss setting price levels for your stop loss and take profit. You have the freedom to enter specific price levels directly in the order entry window. Alternatively, you can visually adjust these by dragging the respective lines directly on your chart once your order is placed. This flexibility allows you to fine-tune your risk and reward levels based on market conditions and your trading plan. Before executing your trade, it's vital to review your order details thoroughly. Ensure all information is correct, including your selected asset, order type, and the specified price levels for managing your trade. Once you're satisfied that everything looks good, go ahead and click on Place Order to execute your trade. After your trade is live, you can still manage it dynamically. TradingView allows you to adjust or cancel your stop loss and take profit orders at any time. You can do this by dragging the lines on the chart to new price levels or by editing the order directly in the trading panel. This capability ensures you maintain control over your trades even as market conditions evolve. With these steps, you're now equipped to efficiently manage your trades on TradingView. Remember, practice makes perfect, so continue exploring the platform's features to enhance your trading strategy further.